So over here we want to showcase how durable our batteries are. So we have different weather conditions across India. So in Delhi, maybe in the summer day, you'll get up to 50 degrees Celsius. So in that oven may the battery is under 50 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
If you go on a mountain bike to Ladakh or on this scooter to Ladakh, you'll get maybe 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. So the battery is inside the fridge.
Inside the fridge. Okay.
And in Bangalore, you get a lot of monsoons, floods here and there. So yeah, battery might be underwater in some cases, but the customer should not feel any difference or any tension that under this condition I cannot ride. So if you are riding and suddenly there is some heavy rainfall or overnight there is some rainfall, you can be as calm that this is as good as vehicle as it was yesterday. You can just, if the vehicle turns on, it will work as good and there won't be any performance drop is what you want to say.
Okay.
So our batteries are rated to IP67, which is like for up to 1 meter of depth. For 30 minutes, there won't be no water entry inside the bag.
Okay.
And that is what we can guarantee. We do test for even more overtime. And also, if suppose there is any water entry, if there is any water entry, we have these sensors inside the battery pack, which is the temperature sensor, humidity sensor, pressure sensors, which live give every 250 milliseconds they fetch the data from the vehicle and push it to the cloud. So you can get the data. If there is any water entry, the sensor will catch it and it will flag that there is some issue with the pack, and the vehicle will get cut off. So there is no safety risk for the customer. Maybe you can go to a service center, get it checked, and then you can ride as well. But yeah, you can keep on monitoring all the issues. But on a normal day, regular day, you are in rainfall or there is some floods and you think that my battery won't turn off, that should never happen. You can, if you are comfortable to ride through the water, then your scooter is comfortable to ride.
Okay, then one question I have. Yeah. So let's say now in this flood situation only, I'm riding my bike. So here usually battery will be in this place. So
it is
in the down floor, and let's say it's in like somewhat like this one.
Yeah.
So but still water wouldn't have entered. That's what you're telling.
So 1 meter is approximately to the street level.
Correct.
So if this much level of water is there and you can be calm and you can just ride through it and water won't enter the battery pack is what you can.
And one more thing you told is like in the cloud, like in this using these statistics, you'll be able to know whether water has entered or not. Yes. But as a customer, how will we know? Like for this?
So actually in the cloud we also get sometimes some of the faults with respect to different things come on the dashboard also.
Okay.
For water entry, I think that is not currently in place, but I have taken that as an
okay.
So in the battery pack also there is a part called the BMS, which is the battery monitoring system.
Okay.
That part also does the processing, like live processing it does on the data, and when it sees that the rise in humidity or maybe temperatures are above a significant number, then it will flag and it will turn off the vehicle on its own. So that it will just shut down the vehicle. So if your vehicle is not turning on, it means that there is some issue.
So right now already that feature is there in the latest vehicles.
In all the packs from Gen 1 it is already.
Oh, that's nice. This is really good demo actually. And your this one is also very good actually. yeah. That's nice.
Battery is running from water.
So guys, you can see this is the same battery and you can see it's running on the same this one.
Even under
battery is, even though water is there, but
so you can see it's running with the same battery.
Even underwater.
This is really amazing demo, guys. And along with this, they have put all 3 different conditions. That is inside water, and this is inside the cold refrigerator. You can see, and here it is in the oven also. You can see that one. So this is amazing actually.
That is why this stall should become into picture that we are showing how safe our batteries are. But if we get a chance to, I think we should.